Twitch is implementing its own panic button safety feature, shield mode. When it's activated, the streamers can enact emergency safety measures such as prohibiting first-time chatters. So what is this? It's getting too harsh in the chat? Today, Twitch announced it's implementing a new safety feature that might feel familiar to streamers who've battled against the hate raids that plagued the platform last year. Called Shield Mode, the new feature enacts an emergency lockdown of a creator's stream. Shield Mode is a little different from other safety tools, Twitch said. It does introduce some entirely new capabilities. Its real power comes from the way it combines all levels and levels up existing safety tools in one place. Similar to the community-developed panic button devised to combat the surge in hate raids. A hate raid, I guess, is everybody coming at once. That doesn't sound like any fun. Shield Mode streamers and their mods choose settings that will mass ban chatters using specific word or phrase or prohibit first-time chatters from speaking at all. Well, now your hate raids are no fun. So, I don't know. You got to find a way around it. Haters or do something else, I guess. It will allow streamers to temporarily beef up their security with the touch of one button. Well, I mean, that's, from a technology perspective, pretty cool. You just hit the button and night-night. You nuke the chat. I don't know. It's probably controversial, like pretty much everything that happens on Twitch. I'm sure that there's people that say, no, you deserve this criticism. You're not being hated on. You're being soft.
Yeah.
And then other people are sitting there saying, no, actually, I'm not. I mean, these people, there's a bunch of threats going on over here.
Yeah.
Kirk, that was the weakest dog exchange with you and Kovu that, like,
my hands are full.
Hands don't matter.
I got memory cards going on.
It's the energy, the output.
You don't want to be.
It's a wolf pack, man. You gotta exert.
I get that.
Yeah, you get him next time. Well, anyway, Kovu flew down the entire place because, well, there was a little standoff that happened over there that you didn't see off camera between Kirk and Kovu. And for a moment, Kovu was thinking, you know, am I going to go or not going to go? I watched it all happen. And so
Mo's not even here, though.
No, I know. Mo wanted him to be in there. Yeah. And he said, am I going to go or not go? And he looked at Kirk, and Kirk looked at him. And Kirk considered, like, really getting in his way. And Kovu considered really getting around Kirk. And, of course, Kovu won the battle, actually.
Hilarity ensued.
Hilarity ensued. That's one way to put it.